Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our brand new units. This is a 2019 RX450 hybrid F Sport Series 3 in the atomic silver finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include L-shaped premium LED headlamps, S-Sport front grille, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, turn signal integrated side mirrors, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver seat memory seating, power folding and auto dimming side mirrors, power windows and door locks, power adjustable front seats, automatic high beams, power rear liftgate, heads up display, remote gas cap, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free calling, lane keep assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with pre-collision system, 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and backup camera, Mark Levinson 15-speaker premium audio system, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, QI compatible wireless smartphone charging, electronic parking brake, drive mode select with Sport Plus, which includes adaptive variable suspension, panoramic sunroof, power folding rear seats, black interior, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.